What's going on, everybody? ChumpChangeXD here. Hope you're all staying healthy and having a great day. So in this video, we're not going to be changing these thermal pads, but I did order some for the people that have been giving me crap. So I'll be doing that at some point. But we're going to open up this Sapphire Pulse and see what she looks like. So let's get to it. Oh, and before I forget to mention, this rig's off because for some reason it froze, went to restart it, and now it will not post. Again, I don't know what's going on, so I'm gonna unplug all three of these GPUs, and I ended up flashing a new HiveOS onto a new USB so I can get rid of this one to see if that's the issue. I just don't understand why it's not at least showing BIOS. I plugged the HDMI into the graphics card, and I've plugged it into the motherboard. So I'm really hoping if I unplug everything and I only plug in this 6600XT that it works. So yeah, without further ado, let's open this thing and see what she looks like. My first Sapphire Pulse 6600XT. Wow, this card is extremely light. Wow, this card's killer looking. Feels like it's made of plastic. This thing's like so light. It's unbelievable how light this is. All right, so I need to get this thing hooked up. I need to get this PC to post so I can at least see what the heck's going on. And hopefully this brand new USB works. So let's swap those right now. What I'm going to do is just unplug all of this stuff, because to be honest, this all shouldn't be here anyways. I need to get these into the grow tent downstairs. All right, so let me finish unplugging all of this so I can get that hooked up. All right, so we have everything out of this system. I'm gonna turn this on. I wanna see if it actually posts. I'm gonna plug the HDMI into the motherboard. I just need to make sure that it posts so we can actually do something with this. All right, so fingers crossed that this goes into BIOS or does something. Because previously, just what the heck is going on with this thing? Well, apparently it just shuts itself off and turns itself back on, so yeah, so I'm just having an issue with this thing not posting. All right, so apparently it was the USB. All right, well, shut it off and let's get this plugged in, shall we? All right, it's all plugged in. So as you can see, this card only takes a single 8-pin, which is cool. So we just basically power the riser and power that 1 8-pin on the card. Now we already plugged in the new HiveOS. That one's right there. All these old GPUs, well, not old, but the ones that were in this rig previously are all laying right here on the table. So those are all soon to go in the grow tent, but let's get this rig on, see what happens. And let's pray that it posts. And it did. Nice. All right, so it must have been a bad USB. Interesting. All right, so I don't know what's going on with this rig, but it is not going past the HiveOS screen. So I'm taking this downstairs and I'm gonna throw this on the RebTech and see if it jumps into HiveOS along with the wife's 3070. All right, so here we are in the computer. And yeah, so those of you that saw Hump Day hashing, it didn't go as planned. Let's put it that way. It took literally 2 hours. We had to update the kernel on HiveOS. We had to update the AMD driver, and then we had to find steady clocks because this card was just very finicky to get working correctly. So, Mr. Rondy, thank you so much for spending the time and getting this running for everybody. So He has it up on ERGO right now, and we're getting 62.47 mega hash right now. So this is what we have the clocks at. It's 1500 core, 700 core voltage, 850 on the controller voltage, and 1120 on the memory clock. And yeah, this thing's running pretty smooth. So let's try to swap over to Ethereum and see what she's running at. All right, so here we have ETH. We're at 31.83 mega hash, which is awesome. We'll open up the clocks. As you can see, we have 1200 on the core. We have 680 on the core voltage. We have 720 on the memory core voltage and 1120 on the memory clock. And that's that. So this thing's running pretty solid on ETH, not gonna lie. 31.82 at 55 watts in the software. I like it. I think I'll be buying more of these. All right, so last but not least, let's get over to Raven and see how she does. All right, and here we are with Raven. So we are getting 17.11 inside HiveOS. Not too bad at 73 watts in the software. Let's check the clocks. So we have 1600 core clock. We have 700 on the core voltage, 900 on the memory controller voltage, and 1125 on the memory clock. And that's what we've gotten for Raven. Again. All right, so real quick, I wanted to bring you guys Ethereum Classic as well. We are getting 31.95 with the same exact clocks as Ethereum. So if you guys are interested in ETC, that's roughly what this card will get. Again, just to show you the clocks, 1200 on the core, 680 on the core voltage. We have 720 on the memory controller voltage and 1120 on the memory clock. So these might not be ideal settings for you guys, but these worked for this card. Again, huge shout out to Rondy for getting this thing running. You're amazing, dude. Couldn't have done it without you. So again, thank you so much. He's the one that actually worked super hard to bring this to all of you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and hopefully this helps you guys out with your own HiveOS. So as always, guys, I appreciate you all for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Also, check out my new YouTube channel, which is CCXD. This is going to be a gaming channel and also a quick pointer channel, I guess, to help some new people that want to start some crypto mining channels on YouTube. My intro is almost done. It is still in the process of being completed. Once that intro is done, I'll be giving you guys some basic pointers like once every week or so, like how to edit thumbnails, what I use to edit my videos, you know, how I found my logo, just any type of thing that can help you guys start that I didn't have. That's going to be my plan. So again, guys, I do appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe, and I'll see you guys real soon.